What up people, what's good? Your boy BBR again. Actually, let me take this off. What up people, what's good? Your boy BBR again, and I am back with a new video. So this is gonna be an unboxing video. Let's get right into it. If you guys watched my previous video, one of my previous videos, you know I recently reviewed the Beats Studio Pros. I'm probably going to drop the link in the description, so make sure you guys check it out if you haven't. So yeah, I've been using these for the past, I'll say about a month, and I'm not gonna lie, I love them. But I recently won these from a giveaway on this app called Whatnot.
Clap it up. It said B. Wait, who was that? I didn't look at it, bro. I was sitting in silence. Yo, congrats to the winner. Whoever won, it should have popped up.
His name is Salty, by the way. Shout out to Salty. He's probably never gonna watch my video. I don't know. But yeah, long story short, I'm going to be testing these out. I'm going to be unboxing it, showing you guys what it looks like. So this is the Bose. I'm used to saying the Beats Studio Pro. Chill out, bro. So this is the noise cancellation headphones 700 from Bose. They're one of the companies that make the best headphones out there, and it says it's a world-class adjustment noise cancellation, industry-leading voice pickup, your choice of voice assistant, intuitive tech control on air cup, Bose music app, up to 20 hours of listening per charge. So if you charge this full, you get 20 hours. But on these we add 40 hours. Let's get unboxing. Let's get it. Right there. I've actually had these for about, like, I'll say 2 weeks. I just wanted to have the perfect time to check these out. I was still getting used to the Beats Studio Pro. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's get it. Boom. Right there. Ooh, it also comes in a case. Comes in a case. Aside from the case, what else do we get in the box? We got the menu, but nobody reads these, so I'm just gonna put this back in the package. But I love the packaging experience. It's very premium. It looks like you got a diamond in it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I love this packaging. I love this packaging. It looks clean. It looks like something you could take out for traveling. It looks premium. You could probably store something else in this depending on how it looks inside. But yeah, let's see the Bose headphones. Whoa, that looks clean. That looks clean. It's coming out good. Let's take those out. Yeah, that looks clean. That looks clean. So yeah, that's how it looks out the box. What else do we get in the bag? It has this, oh, that's kind of like magnetic too. So we get this USB-A to USB-C cable. Nice to see. And headphone jack as well. And other than that, that's what's in the box. All right, so putting these on. So this is the left ear and this is the right ear. That's weird. So the left ear is what? So this is the left ear and this is the right ear. Do I put, oh, how do you adjust this? What the hell? Oh, the adjusting system is weird too. So it has this adjusting system like this. It's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like, I feel like this would break low key. I'm not even gonna lie. The adjusting system is just like this stick just slipping into this side. It's just kind of weird. I don't know how I would live with that though, but you know what I'm saying? It's all good. It's all good. And this rotates as well. This rotates left and right. But one thing I found kind of weird is, since this is the left and this is the right ear, so this is the left and this is the right, right? Whoa. Without even turning anything on, I feel like I'm in a different zone. Like, bro, for real. But yeah, one thing I wanted to mention is, like, since this is the left ear and this is the right ear, and it only rotates this way, but this is how it's going to stay on my neck, which is kind of weird. I would have preferred it to be like this. You know what I'm saying? Something like that, more like that. That's just one thing I don't like about it. But in terms of how it feels in my ear, it doesn't feel like I'm carrying a heavy weight, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so to turn these on, I believe you just gotta click this Bluetooth button right here. I'll probably show this in the video, by the way. Yep, probably have to. Yo. For some reason, so I just turned them on, right? And it said something. It said like I should download the Bose music app. That's number one. And then it also told me the battery percentage or how long the battery is gonna last. And then it said battery life 5 hours, which is kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? But still, I don't want to be hearing all that every time I turn on my headphones. I just want to put it on and start listening to music, you know what I'm saying? Or listening to whatever I want. But in terms of how they feel in the ear, like it blocks, I feel like the noise cancellation in these are gonna be crazy. But yeah, let's test them out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got.
For a while, but right now I just wanna tell you my mind. So girl, give me one chance. See, I will never let you down, my girl. No. This one the rhythm where I do.
So before I talk about the sound quality, which I think they actually kind of crisp, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so you know how when you connect your AirPods to your iPhone or the Beat Studio Pro, because the Beat Studio Pro are made by Apple, by the way. So you know how when you connect these to your iPhone, you could switch between noise cancellation and transparency mode. You cannot do that when you pair this to your iPhone, which I think, I don't know. Well, it's not made by Apple anyways, but I feel like you should get that feature for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, you don't get that feature right off the bat, you know what I'm saying? I've been messing around with the Bose Music app. You could literally control the volume from here as well, control the noise cancellation from the app, but which is kind of like annoying because you have to go to the app. But I'm still trying to figure out how to control the noise cancellation because it technically says you can just like long press it to change the range of the noise cancellation if you want it to be like really deep or if you want it to be like very transparent, you know what I'm saying? But honestly, the good part about this is you could actually choose how much you want the noise cancellation to be if it's like really deep, and they're actually good. I'm not gonna lie, the noise cancellation in these are very good. Like I could literally hear nothing, bro, except from maybe myself. I mean, I'm indoors alone and nobody's with me, so that's a good one. And if I reduce it now, if like the hair cup is not making me feel like I'm under the ocean in the transparency mode. So I would say the transparency mode in these are actually better than my Beat Studio Pro. By the way, if you guys want to see a comparison video between this and my Beat Studio Pro, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to make a video about it. But yeah, that's number one. Number two is it has an EQ system. Mad, you know what I'm saying? Like this is crazy, you know what I'm saying? So you could increase the bass or you could increase the treble too, and you could also reduce it. So like depending on your mode, you could basically just make a music sound more effective to you. So like for example, as I'm playing this music right now, I could increase the bass, like I could see the bass going crazy. And he also has some presets in terms of how you want the EQ to sound. For example, he has the bass boost, he has the bass reduce, it has the treble boost, it has the treble reducer. So like it just gives you like different range. So very good like app to use. I feel like this is clutch. And this also lets you like control. So for example, I'm playing music from Apple Music, but it lets me control the music right on the app. Like that's crazy. I don't even have to go to my Apple Music. If I have my playlist connected to this, I could literally listen to that music right on the Bose app, which is definitely clutch. And it technically shows you how much percentage of battery you have left on the Bose headphones. So first of all, right now I'm at 5 hours of battery, and it says I could get up to 20 hours of battery life. So I'm guessing I'm around like maybe like 15%. Like that's 15% left. So yeah. So touching more on the build and design, in terms of the control and function buttons, there are two buttons on the left ear and one on the right ear. The top button on the left ear is used to turn the headphones on by clicking it once, but can also be long pressed for up to 2 seconds to pair with new devices if already turned on. And it has a blue light indicator that lets you know that it's ready to pair. The button right below it can be used for voice assistant, which in my case I use for Siri, but you can use it for Google Assistant if you're an Android user or Alexa if you prefer. Now on the left ear there is a button that's used to adjust the noise cancellation level, which is cool and annoying at the same time. So each click increases by 5 and it ranges between 0 and 10. Now the annoying part is that it calls the number every time you click on it, and in general I'm not just a fan of the voice notification on these headphones. As for the pause and play, you just have to tap twice, which just feels very satisfying. What's more cool is that you just have to slide your finger up to increase the volume and slide down to do otherwise. You can also move to the next and previous play by just swiping right and left. These hand gestures seem to be my favorite features of this headphone, and I'm just loving them. Now in terms of how they feel in my ear, the air cup are very soft, making them very comfortable to have on for hours, and as I mentioned earlier, the sound quality of these are very good. The bass is top notch and it just gives a good listening experience to anything I'm listening to. However, there is always a lag when listening to music. Not sure if it's the Bluetooth connection, but I often experience a breakage while listening to music on these, even while my phones are right next to me, which is really bad for headphones at this price point. Also, like I said before, I'm not a fan of the design just cause they look like they can easily break when they drop. But other than that, these are really good headphones. And in terms of the transparency mode, I actually love the transparency mode on these compared to my Beat Studio Pros. This transparency mode, it feels like, I mean, I could still feel like something is in my ear based on the fact that this is physically on my ear, but I could literally hear things outside. So for example, if I'm talking to somebody and I pause my music and I want to turn off the noise cancellation, that's actually clutch for that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So looking further at the design, it has these holes on the hair which happen to pick up sound around, for which I think is the reason why the transparency mode on these are really great. There is a total of 8 microphones, for which 6 are allocated to the noise cancellation feature and 4 to pick up your voice. I know that's a total of 10, but 2 out of 8 works for both noise cancellation and voice pickup, which is actually cool. And lastly, these actually automatically pair between your devices. So if you're watching a video on your MacBook and you get a call on your phone and you just switch, it's gonna do the job, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get right into it. So that's the first impression video, guys. If you guys are feeling this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for 1K subscribers. I forgot to mention it at the beginning of the video. We're already at 1K subscribers, so yeah. But if you guys want to see a comparison video between these two, let me know in the comment section down below. Even if you don't, I'll probably still make the video. I'll put it in the queue of my upcoming videos. But if you guys want to see a comparison video between these two, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure I'm happy to make them, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Let's go, Yaga.
All of my homies always laugh, 'cause I be acting funny.